Today I'm going to take 5 different types of clothes from my wardrobe. Now let us go take it. Cotton saree made from cotton. Pair of trousers made from din jeans. Sweater made from wool. Silk kurta made from silk. Jute.
Showing about different types of cloth. There are 4 different types of cloth. One is a shawl. It is like a soft. Second one is saree. It is silky. And next one is a frock. When function comes, we can put, and it will be a soft little bit. And this is a top. There were designs, and that's all.
Hi, welcome to Wardrobe Room. This is a wardrobe. This is my rack. And this is a jean. This is a banian. This is a silk. This is a cotton.
Good morning everybody. Today I'm going to be doing an activity to know the different types of fibers. This is my wardrobe and I'm going to show you the different fibers clothes are made out of. This is made out of silk. This is made out of polyester. This is made out of jeans. This is made out of wool. And this is made out of cotton.
Of grade 5. Today I am going to tell about fiber and fabric. Fiber is a strong and flexible thread that is used to make clothes. The thread is also known as yarn. Fabric means a number of thread or yarn combined together to make fabric. This saree is polyester. This lehenga dress is polycotton. This saree is polycotton. This saree is synthetic. This frog is cotton. This saree is poonam.
I am going to tell about different types of fabric. One is man-made fabric. Another one is natural fabric. I am going to show 5 dress which is different types of fabric. I will say it is soft or hard like that. It is a silk. It is soft. It is a dress. It is jute. It is soft and a little rough. It is cotton. It is little hard and soft. It is wool. We can wear in cold region like that. This is polished. It is very soft. Wool is very hard.
Today I am going to show fabric. My dress is fabric. This is my banyan. This is my cupboard. So here is my dress. Here is my mom's dress. Here is my bag.
I am going to explain about some examples of fabrics. There are two types of fabrics, man-made fabrics and natural fabrics. The natural fabrics has two types, animal fabrics and plant fabrics. First, it is a man-made fabric. It is made up of polyester. It is used to wear at winter. It is a silk saree. It is made up of silkworms, saliva. It is the natural fabric. It is a jeans, trouser. It is consists of two types of fabrics. In the natural fabric, cotton and linen. Man-made fabric, polyester and flax. And it is used to wear in winter. Next, it is a cotton saree. It is mainly used in summer because it keeps us cool, and it is a plant fabric. It is a man-made fabric made up of satin. It is a satin jacket. It is used to wear in winter. It is a woolen sheet. It is made up of sheep's hair or other animals. It is a animal fabric.
Today we are going to see about different types of dress fabric. Lightweight synthetic. This dress is silk, soft silk. This dress is cotton saree. Thank you.